Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically give access for like your friends or your coworkers to edit your Google Forms. So here you're just going to select the three dots and you're just going to simply select add collaborators and you're going to find the person that you want to add. For instance, this one, I'm just going to add that person, and I can also copy the link, I think, and it's just going to basically add editors to your Google form. And you can even message them, hey, edit this with me or something, and you're just going to press send. And it's going to be sent to that person and they can now edit the Google form with you. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!